Alright guys, I got a treat for you today. The Fireburg M65s. These are exploding targets. You can actually set them off with an air gun, pistol, shotgun, rifle, or archery. Let's check them out. They're pretty small. They're only about 2.5 inches in diameter, I would say. Like little hockey pucks. Only about 1/4 inch thick. Let's get one out. Oh look, it even has adhesive on the back. We're going to be using a 22 long rifle, suppressed, even with the subsonic. So let's get a couple of these set up, see how they do. We're going to put one of our little hockey pucks on our AR-500 steel. Hopefully it sticks. Oh, they do stick. Nice. We're going to be setting up at 20 yards. Alright guys, let's try the subsonic 22 long rifle. CCIs. This is my favorite little single shot. It is so fun. Alright, that was actually pretty cool. For the price, I honestly can't believe it's that loud. But what happens when we put 3 of them together? Get the peeling off the back. There's one. Oh, it was sticky. There we go. 2. Oh, they are stackable too. And 3rd.